Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Backyard Garage. On today's episode, we are going to be working on the Camaro. I actually got some stuff in. I got the front bumper cover, and we're going to be putting that on. Bumper strip, not bumper cover. But anyway, stick around and I'll show you how I do it. So I'm actually in my main garage here, and I'm just going to be putting this on. It's pretty easy. You just put the screws in. Go check out my rear bumper strip video and you can get a better explanation on how this goes on. So you're just going to put this on here. And you're just going to start molding it around and putting it in. So let me get my screws and everything, and then we will continue getting this bumper strip put on. Alrighty, so we can come in for a closer look here. And there we go. That is looking a million times better than it did. With these, with the front and everything, not all the screws actually go in. There's actually very few that actually hold this on because they're like buried behind the brackets and stuff, and you can't put this on before you put the brackets on because you need to access the other bolts and everything. So is what you do is you just kind of, you have to bend this and manipulate it so it sits up nice and tight against a bumper. There's a couple tiny little gaps. There's one like right here. Yeah, it's, I don't know, you can fit a card in there, a small piece of paper, but I don't know, I think it looks a lot better. It's sealed up good. So another thing that I'm gonna look at is getting new lenses for these. These are a little bit hazy. I don't like them. Maybe a restoration kit will fix that, so we'll just check it out. I did pull the car out of the back garage. Finally, my big old pile of snow melted. I haven't driven it this year yet. There is still snow on the ground. However, today it's really warm out. It's like 45. It's gonna be like 50, so can't complain there. But anyway, the next thing that I wanna go over is some lights, and let me show you what I got here. It is a little windy out here, and hopefully you can hear me, but this company, I believe it's Auxitio, they are actually sponsoring this build or this video here. They sent me a pair of these lights in return for a free review of their product. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in. These are their LED lights. These are the 1157 bulbs, and they're red. It's for the red reverse lights. So let me set you guys up, and we'll do a compare of these lights. They're supposed to be a lot brighter, and they're LED. So let me do a comparison of these lights versus the old lights. So let me go through in the back of the car and I'll show you what the old lights look like. Alrighty, so there we go. Let me go hit the brake pedal here and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so hopefully you guys could see this here. I have you set up, and it's kind of close quarters and super hard to work in the trunk here, but you're just gonna reach down and you're gonna turn this right here and then pull out the light, the old light. Super simple. This is what the new light looks like. So you're just gonna push down and twist on these and pull the old light out. Then you'll just take the new light, put it in, give it a twist, and it's done. So if you guys could just watch that bulb, I'm gonna go with the light, and then I'm gonna stop you for a second here so I can check this out and make sure it's working. So give me 2 seconds here. I'll be right back. Okay, well, I watched the video and it looks like it's working good. So next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna put this back in, and the way you do that is you just slide this in, turn it in, clips, and then you're done. The other side is the same exact thing. Repeat, rinse and repeat. So let me jump over to the other side and I will get that in as well. Alrighty, so now that the new ones are installed, I'm gonna go hit the brakes again and we're gonna see how bright these are back here. So I actually just watched the footage and it looked pretty good. You know, it's really bright out, so it's super hard to tell if they were brighter or not. To me, it looks like maybe not brighter, but you know what? They are LED bulbs, so they are definitely a lot better because they will last a lot longer. These old bulbs, you know, they like to burn out. They draw a lot of resistance. Now, if you're doing turn signals and things, they also have kits for that. So go to their website. It's auxitio.com. That's how it's spelled. So check them out. And then also, if you could, you get a 20% discount. So drop in Backyard Garage as the code. I also have it in the description, a link to their website and then the code. And then you get 20% off of their products. So go check them out. Well, this here is actually definitely going to be a shorter video. Like I said, it's only 45 degrees out. We got a bunch of snow on the ground. Well, not too much, actually. It's going away, but we do have snow on the ground still. So here's where I'm going to leave it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set you up. I'm going to do a cold start on it. It probably won't start right up. It might, but let me do a cold start. And then from there, you know, I will exit the video. So let me get you set up and we'll get her started. Well, everybody, I know this was a shorter video and I wish I had more content. It's just, unfortunately, the way it is right now is like, there's really not a whole lot more to do to this thing. Next video is maybe I could wash it or something. I still owe y'all a big burnout. Engine's getting broken. I gotta change the oil on it before I take it out. But other than that, yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.